In the fight against substance misuse and overdose, one thing is really clear: no one can do it alone. That's the message behind a summit at UNLV today, where experts, advocates, and former drug addicts came together to share some possible solutions. 8 News Now's Nick Summer with how the talk turned into action.
It's not your typical health conference here at UNLV's Strip View Pavilion. In fact, organizers say they want this to feel more like a block party. This year's theme focuses on harmonization, creating a collaborative space for sharing new ideas to help tackle the overdose crisis and finding new solutions to help save lives here in Southern Nevada.
We always say that the opposite of addiction is connection, and so we want to make sure that we're building that community so they don't lose that connection.
The 6th annual Substance Misuse and Overdose Prevention Summit was put on by the Southern Nevada Health District and Nevada Institute for Children's Research and Policy. Katarina Pulver with the Health District says the focus is on families dealing with this crisis.
And everyone just sort of coming together in order to close gaps in services and recognizing that we don't really live single issue lives, so we all have to come together to address a person's full humanity in this space.
The topics discussed: preventing overdoses in emergency departments to launching the Southern Nevada Post-Overdose Response Program. Sean O'Donnell, executive director for the Foundation for Recovery, started using substances when he was just 14. It led to him homeless, living in his car.
For me, treatment was the shortest and most expensive part of my recovery journey, right? But for all of the years that followed those programs, it's been a community of loving people who have supported me forward.
Stephen Markley with the Northern Nevada Harm Reduction Alliance is also a former addict who was once living in the tunnels of Las Vegas. He says more investments are needed in outreach teams and harm reduction.
Trust within the community. It's really good in terms of cutting down the spread of infections. Hepatitis C is raging here.
Now, nationally, overdose fatalities dropped nearly 27% in 2024, the largest drop in decades, but it was not the case for Nevada. A small uptick here. Overdose deaths rose approximately 0.5%, with a sharp 31% increase in overdose fatalities.